डियर व्यूअर्स, आज मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी आपको बुक से जिसका नाम है अ बंच ऑफ ग्रेप्स, रिटन बाय फायजा मसूद। इस किताब को लिखने का इब्तदाई तौर पे ये मकसद था कि हंसते हंसते इस्लाह की जाए, लेकिन ये स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल किताब साबित हुई, ख़ास तौर पे ओ लेवल्स में, जहाँ पे नैरेटिव राइटिंग, डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग करनी होती है और आपको स्टोरी के लिए कैरेक्टर स्केचेस बनाने होते हैं। सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू विद द बुक। अ बंच ऑफ ग्रेप्स इज बेस्ड ऑन द ऑथर्स ऑब्जर्वेशंस and such things which go unnoticed in our society. Certain practices or attitudes prevailing in our society tarnish its beauty. This book is a spontaneous overflow of genuine concerns. A fine sense of humor saves the book from being labeled as a pungent satire. The book comprises of 27 chapters which are adorned with instances and events. The reader would feel totally absorbed while reading the book as it has vivid descriptions to stir his imagination. The reader would be able to identify the characters and visualize them as all the characters have been delineated with their minutest details like their attire, idiosyncrasies and attitudes. He will find the characters of flesh and blood in the book. Characters have been portrayed with their weaknesses and absurdities in a very light and humorous way, which would help to reform the reader. The book has been written for a wide range of readers. It can be enjoyed by mature professionals as well as students. This book would facilitate literature students to depict lifelike characters with dramatic and colorful descriptions. This book would broaden their vision as well as induce love of reading among them, which is the concern of all language teachers. The writer has endeavored to present some practical solutions to the problems prevailing in our society. The chapters like Dervishes and the prayer would help to stimulate the spiritual side of the reader. The reader and the writer would be embarking together on a serene spiritual journey. The reader would gain practical wisdom and know how to deal with the people connected with different occupations like mechanics, milkmen, tailors, shopkeepers, chefs, etc. It would make the customers more vigilant and concerned about their rights. This book is the product of deep contemplation, keen observation, profound reflection, and meticulous research on different matters. Hopefully, it will leave a good impact on the reader's mind. So, dear viewers, please read this book, and especially the students. It would be very helpful for you to improve your language. Keep on watching the videos. Subscribe the channel. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz.